So my two younger brothers have soccer games in town today, and I came because I wanted to run somewhere flat, and I'm very glad I did because it's raining. Oh. Update, so I got back, I changed into pants and a dry t-shirt and a dry hoodie, and then I grabbed like a blanket and a chair and an umbrella. So now I'm going to go to my brother's soccer game. Their soccer games are over, and I figure I should explain how it works. They don't have a actual like team or practices. It's co-ed, and everyone just shows up on Saturday, is divided into two teams, and then they play a game. Very quick stop home, and then we are going to Easton's flag football game after this. And
Braden, lock up.
There you go, Nick.
after my one day of experience, I've decided that the hardest part of being a soccer mom is the positioning of the umbrella. Because, like, you can't put it between your legs, that's uncomfortable. You can't lean it against anything, then it falls. You have to hold it the whole time.
Let's go. Touch that ball. That's it. Nice job. Good read. Good read. Touch that ball, bud. Keep that ball on the mirror. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Go! Come on!
My brother Easton, the one whose birthday was like a week ago today, he decided he'd have friends over this weekend, so that's why we put up some seats in the back. So as I don't want to spend the next 20 hours or so with a bunch of 7th grade boys, I am going to try to live in the woods. I've got about less than 3 hours of daylight left. So as it turns out, roughing it in the woods for a while is actually kind of hard. It should be entertaining, but I'm in a rush. There's like little daylight, so I think I'm going to like finish today's vlog here, vlog 67, and then speed run the edits, like airdrop it to this phone, and then upload from this phone and take the phone I'm shooting this on down to the creek where I'm camping, and I'll do all the camping stuff, if that makes any sense. So, early into the vlog, see you tomorrow.